District 12, did you miss me? I bet you never expected to lay eyes on me again, and let me tell you, that goes both ways, but I am back. I sure am back. Oh, is that bottle there for me? Oh, come on, y'all. You know I gave up drinking when I was 12. That's to clear my pipes, y'all, to clear my pipes. Now, how about a song, huh? Can't take my past, can't take my history. You could take my pa, but his name's a mystery. Nothing you could take from me was ever worth keeping. Oh, nothing you can take was ever worth keeping. Come on! Can't take my charm, can't take my humor. You can take my world, 'cause it's just rumor. Nothing you can take was ever worth keeping. Oh, nothing you can take was ever worth keeping. Thinking you're so fine, thinking you're in control, thinking you'll change me, maybe rearrange me. Think again if that's your goal.
Lucy Gray! Lucy Gray!
Billy Toad.
You sounding kind of thin, Lucy Gray.
Billy.
You're all sounding thin without me. No?
Billy.
Hide it.
Billy. Billy. I swore you wouldn't play with them again, Billy Toad.
Come on.
Settle down, settle down.
I know you missed me, Lucy Gray.
Get your hands off me right now. Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me, Billy Toad. That's what you did. Get your hands off me right now. I swear I will be a snake and I will rub it right down.
Gray, stop! Oh, get off me! Get off me! What are you, crazy? Come on, we gotta get out of here! Who'd have thought I'd have to save you?
She's here. She's alive.